Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Creating a Python script with a main function, a step-by-step tutorial. Introduction. In Python programming, organizing your code into functions is a good practice for better readability and maintainability. The if __name __main___ construct is commonly used to define a main function that gets executed when the script is run directly. This tutorial will guide you through creating a Python script with a main function, and will provide a code example to illustrate the concept. Step 1. Set up your development environment. Before you start, make sure you have Python installed on your machine. You can download the latest version of Python from the official website, https://www.python.org. Step 2. Open your favorite text editor or IDE. Choose a text editor or integrated development environment, IDE, for writing your Python script. Popular choices include Visual Studio Code, pycharm, Sublime Text, or even a simple text editor like Notepad. Step 3. Define your main function. Create a new Python script, example main_script.py, and define your main function using the following template. In this example, the main function contains the main logic of your script. The if __name __main___ block ensures that the main function is executed only when the script is run directly, not when it's imported as a module in another script. Step 4. Add your code logic. Now, you can add your specific code logic inside the main function. This could include variable declarations, user inputs, file operations, or any other functionality your script requires. This example prompts the user for their name and then prints a personalized welcome message. Step 5. Run your script. Save your script and open a terminal or command prompt. Navigate to the directory containing your script and run the following command. Replace main_script.py with the name of your Python script. You should see the output of your main function. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've successfully created a Python script with a main function. This approach makes your code modular and easy to understand. Feel free to expand on the main function by adding more features or incorporating external modules based on your project requirements. ChatGPT